Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to explore another one from Abdul Karim Al-Faransi, which is Oud Cuire. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's C-U-I-R-E, but it's a French word and it was fairly difficult for me to pronounce it. I still think I haven't done it right. Oud Cuire. I'm not sure how they pronounce it. It's very difficult. Anyhow, so this means cook for cook. So oud recipe or something like oud pilau. I'm not sure. Anyhow, so let's try to see how it actually evolves. I taped them like many years ago, so they are seems like a nice blend because it is kind of greenish, maybe some vetiver in there and maybe some oud, as it is very thick, very thick oil. So let's try to open it and apply it over here. Yes, this is really the real Hindi oud oil. The fermentation, the funk. If you like Hindi oud oils, this is a must-have. Oud Cuire. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Oud Cuire. I'm not sure. Very punchy, very fermented, funky kind of smell. Some people call it, I'm not sure how I say it, cow dung or something like that, but it is not like that. It is kind of when something is fermented, very it starts fermenting and you get this kind of smell. For me, it is beautiful because now I am accustomed to oud oils a lot. So if you are new to oud oils, particularly Hindi oud oils, I think this is not a good thing because it is, people are going to turn off and look, oh, what is that? So what are you wearing? I think there is vetiver is definitely there. Maybe he has used vetiver just to balance the Hindi oud over here. So let's try to apply it on the skin a little bit over here. It reminds me kind of sweet oud, some kind of thing from Abdul Samad Al-Quraishi. Yes, now it is better. It is sweet. It is fermented Hindi oud with the vetiver. The freshness of vetiver is there. Overall, a nice, sweet, maybe some vanilla is there as well. It's sweet, vetiver, green, freshness, fermentation, oudi heaviness in the background. So that is all. So this is, I think it is better than Abdul Samad Al-Quraishi's blend because it really smells like a Hindi oud oil. So this is my review about Oud Cuire. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It was very difficult for me. Anyhow, so this one from Abdul Samad Al-Quraishi. Make sure if you like or you have some tendency to use Hindi oud oils that are fermented, have some funky kind of smell, then buy it. Otherwise, I would not recommend it because if you are not accustomed to, like in Arab countries, this is going to be a bit difficult to wear. Although I think it has some vanilla or something just to balance this out because now the Hindi oud is disappearing and sweetness and vetiver is coming on the top. So overall, I think it is a very nicely blended oud oil, Attar, and now I would give it like 7 out of 10 for scent profile, very nicely blended, and I would give like 7 or 8 8 out of 10 for performance. I think it is going to last longer because it has good power. On paper, the Hindi oud is very prominent, but on my skin it is mostly sweeter notes. Okay, so maybe on your skin it is different. Maybe on your skin it is Hindi oud oil, really thick oil from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. And I hope you have enjoyed this review of Oud Cuire. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's very difficult. I normally, I used to call it, I used to read it like Cuiré, but it is not Cuiré, it is like Cuire. I'm not sure how to pronounce it still. It's embarrassing for me. Anyhow, so this is my review. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. If you like Hindi oud, I think this is a nice attar. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.